wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best children's easels. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The bright and colourful elk and bear for toddlers is great for little ones who stand or sit low to the ground. When your child grows a bit, you can use it as a tabletop model to extend its life. It folds flat for easy carrying from room to room using the handle on top. It arrives already assembled. However, it has no grips on the feet, and the magnetic letters are very thin. At number 9, the Das Kid Tabletop is a simple two-sided magnetic whiteboard. Not only for creative expression, this model can also be used as an educational tool by teachers and parents for helping with homework, organization, or allocating household chores. It includes 4 dry erase markers and offers a fast setup and breakdown, but some of the colors don't wipe off well. Coming in at number 8 on our list. One of the best features of the arkmiido Kids is that it includes 2 deep storage boxes underneath for pens, paper and more. It's very easy to assemble, though the plastic film protecting the chalkboard is frustrating to peel off. It includes fun, colourful magnets and it's easy to adjust the height. However, be aware that the markers can stain the unfinished wood. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for children's easels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, when it's time for a small creative to hit the road, the faber-castell portable art kit has all the fun of a standing set, but in a compact travel-sized package. Your child can choose chalk, dry erase markers or a drawing pad, and it can lie flat or be propped up laptop style. It includes pencils, markers and crayons and a built-in carrying handle, but be aware the chalkboard is plastic. Moving up our list to number 6. Lightweight and made of colourful plastic, the Crayola Quick Flip is the classic crayon brand's take on an affordable dual-sided kids canvas. Built with toddlers in mind, it includes alphabet and number magnets to use on the whiteboard, as well as paint cups and brushes. It comes with chalk and dry erase surfaces, along with integrated paper clips. However, there are many small pieces to keep track of. Halfway up our list at number 5. For budding artists who show an interest in drawing and painting, the Hape All-in-One has a refillable paper roll and 3 convenient slots to hold the paint pots. It's constructed from non-toxic materials and the height is adjustable for growing children. The wood comes from sustainable forests and 2 kids can use it at the same time. It takes 15-inch paper rolls. At number 4, for little tykes just learning their ABCs, the Step 2 for 2 comes with 77 foam alphabet and number magnets that can be arranged all over the metal dry erase side. Its colourful, easy to assemble plastic structure won't intimidate adults either. It wipes clean with soap and water and also comes in pink. However, it doesn't include markers or chalk. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you're looking for an option that won't detract from your decorating scheme, the Kid Kraft wood comes in a clean white finish, with chalk and whiteboard sides plus a paper dispenser at the top. It also comes with 2 anti-spill paint cups. The chalkboard is traditional green and there's a storage shelf on the bottom, but note that neither board is magnetic. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for children's easels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, for those looking for a tabletop art station, the Alex Toys Artist Studio has all the bells and whistles. A paper roller, a cutter and a clip, plus boards for chalk, magnets and dry erase markers. The travel-friendly setup includes spill-proof paint cups with lids. It's made of wood and plastic and no assembly is required. It won an Oppenheim Toy Portfolio Award. And taking the top spot on our list. For double the fun, try the Melissa and Doug Deluxe, a nice standing option that provides an extra large area on either side for your child's masterpieces. It comes with an integrated butcher paper roller and sturdy clips for pinning down a flat drawing or painting canvas. The height is adjustable and the roomy art supply trays are removable. It folds flat for storage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for children's easels, or simply click beneath this video.